The spiral may be small, but all its vital organs are there. The unique combination of an aluminum sheet metal shell features a delicate surface texture, embodying both the metallic feel and mechanical beauty. The edges and corners are treated with anti-scratch treatment for safety and aesthetics. The stable structure design not only realizes the portability of the printer, but also reduces the shaking during operation, resulting in finer prints. Magnetic printing platform for convenient artwork removal. The control panel is simple and easy to operate and can realize one-touch homing and one-touch printing. Faster print speeds are achieved with remote feeding and a lightweight print head design. The stable XYZ axis structure ensures smooth and fine prints. Reserved firmware upgrade port support TF card offline printing and computer online printing. ICreate R&D Home Edition set, ready to use out of the box. Educational version of the kit, complete with a full range of parts and kits. Students can use the ICreate R&D printer kit for DIY hands-on assembly to build their desktop-grade 3D printer. ICreate R&D original course design combination class utility. Learn to put together the structure and experience the fun of combination. Design a variety of articulated creations, explore the principles of bionic structures, learn about one-piece printing technology, and learn about a variety of mechanical structures. The creativity is unlimited, adding electronic button lights, and designing IP images of various shapes and sizes. Artistic creation of your work through graffiti. To make your work unique. Design the appearance of the speaker, solder the circuit board of the speaker, assemble a Bluetooth speaker with your hands, and enjoy the surprise brought to you by C10. Learn to use measuring tools to design the appearance of an octave box according to dimensions, allowing the bolt representing the dream to rotate with the notes. Printed parts and block parts combine to create a boomerang go-kart, taking you to feel the power of science and creativity in a different way. ICreate R&D allows you to be a creator anytime, anywhere.